Styled, evolved, iconic. 8 evolutions, infinite looks. These aren't your average dolls. This is the PokéDolls, Eevee Edition. Okay, so this is what I've come up with so far. And as you can see, I was just practicing different eyes and just some concepts that I was interested in. See, there's Jolteon. I did this in color pencil. I told you guys, like, I'm so in love with color pencil at the moment. It's been my thing, and I'm just like excited to do any piece in color pencil. So I did this one in color pencil. I think I made Jolteon a little too yellow, and this is pretty much what I was coming up with so far. I was planning on giving her this spiky hairdo that I was inspired by, and even her headphones are spiky. It would be chrome. Her hairbands would be chrome, giving her some chains, like layered chains. But I'm still on the fence about the design. Otherwise, I'm ready to hop right into the first sketch. So now we are ready to do this digitally, and this is my last piece that I've done for this series. I look back on this, I believe this piece is from 2 years ago, and I'm just like so in awe of how much I progressed and improved. Oh my gosh, it's insane to just look back at my work. I love how I added this for that holographic Pokemon card effect, but I love how this turned out. I think I would also love to design some outfits based off of the Pokemon as well for funsies, but when I draw these, I pretty much draw them in mind of a character inspired by the Pokemon in my personal fashion style. So a lot of times I'm still working on making the characters align with the aesthetic of the Pokemon, but then also thinking about my own personal fashion aesthetic. And yeah, this one you can tell she's kind of earthy, kind of like a bohemian type of style. And I kind of want to do a theme where all the girls have these star earrings. I really want star earrings like this. They're just so cool. But I really like how this one turned out. Like I'm just like still looking at it, and I'm really excited to see what I do with the next one. So I learned this new technique from Clip Paint Studio. All you gotta do is input your drawing that you've done into the program, and then this will pop up. It'll say to extract lines. It says you can extract lines. Extract line drawings made on paper. Any areas without lines will be transparent. And I think that's so cool to me because this is definitely saving a lot more time for when I'm ready to just get straight into line art, or if I don't feel like doing line art, I can just stick with the sketch. I can just do liquify, and as you can see, it just like completely changes all the lines up, and it's so cool. You can change the density, like how much of the lines you want to appear dark. That's pretty much just playing around with the contrast. And if you can tell, like it took away a lot of the messy, sketchy lines that I had in the background. Jolteon, Eevee's evolution that is bold and electric. My inspiration for this look was edgy, hip, and cool streetwear. Kind of like a rap star sensation. I love how Jolteon is a cool Pokemon, but is also cute. Almost like how Buttercup from Powerpuff Girls is. I didn't want to overdo it with the chrome or the chains. I added the only yellow focus to the doll's hair, charms on the necklace, and the fur, of course. I love how smoky and glittery the eyes look, and to balance it out, I decorated her lips with a bubblegum pink.
As we're wrapping this up, put your guess in the comments on who you think will be next. Sharp, striking, and charged with attitude, this doll doesn't just walk down the runway, she bolts down it. Catch the next look, if you can.